In this video, we will show the best digital, smart door locks in India 2020. At number 1, Godrej Smart Biometric Advantis Door Lock. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Yale Digital Door Lock. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Evotech Residential and Commercial Wooden Door Handle Digital Security Lock. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Adel Chrome Polished Digital Fingerprint Door Lock. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Tinxy Door Lock with Wi-Fi Controller and Door Sensor. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Robotouch Trinity LED Display Keyless Biometric Fingerprint Door Lock. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.